System of three equations in three variables applications. So you have your $136,000 trust. So that's money to be invested in bonds at 8%, CDs at 7%, and mortgages at 9%. The sum of the bond and the CD has to equal the mortgage investment. So that sounds like another equation. We want to earn $11,170 income from the investments from the percentages. How much should the bank invest in the bonds? Okay, so we name the variables. X equals the amount in bonds, Y equals the amount in the CD, and Z equals the amount in the mortgages. In other words, the amounts of the original $136,000. So the first line says it's invested in bonds. The trust is invested in bonds, CDs, and mortgages. So X plus Y plus Z has to be $136,000. Then it also says the sum of the bond and the CD, X plus Y, has to equal the mortgages. That's Z. Then we use the percentages. The bonds pay 8%, and so you add that investment, income from the interest, 0.08x, 7% for the CDs, 9% for the mortgages, and that totals out to $11,170. Okay, so now we're not used to seeing the equation as x plus y equals z, so we have to simplify that down. So we're to subtract z from both sides, and it becomes negative z on this side and 0 there. So there's a system of three equations, three variables. So we set it up. We could do it by hand, but I'm going to use the calculator method this time. So here's our system. We set it up when we use the calculator method, which is doing the A matrix. So 3 by 3. Our coefficients are 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, negative 1, 1, 1, negative 1, and these decimals 08, 07, 09, 08, 07, 09. And then the answer vector is 136,000, 0, and 11,170. That's correct. Then on the home screen, A inverse times B solves the system. X is 29,000, Y is 39,000, Z is 68,000. So they just asked for the bonds, and that was the X. So that's 29,000. But there was 39,000 CDs and 68,000 in mortgages.